So we're gonna saw them apart into different sizes or whatever size you want, but it doesn't have to be big because
You
they
want me to
get
make some kind of a
they
way
get
to you
bigger.
can see it? Can you see it on your...
So yeah, I see it. It's okay. Thank you, Granny. And then we're gonna wrap them. We're gonna dip
put
them in here, and then we're gonna put them in the crumbs. Go ahead, show me.
Okay. That was a big one. Anyway, I'm gonna do like this.
So you have room temperature icing.
Yes. Get 2 forks. Nope. Got you. I don't need this spoon. Anyway, 2 forks will work fine.
You just kind of wrap them around.
You want to get them covered all over.
And then put it in the...
And then you want to hold them up a little bit. Let it kind of drip off. Because you don't really need all that. They'll stick without that much frosting. And that's just that much more sugar.
All right, let's go ahead and put it in the crumbs now.
Okay. You have 2 different ones. See, and then they cover real well.
Uh-huh.
That's kind of what you want them to look for.
And then you put them in the pan?
And they're not all going to look alike.
And then we place them in the pan.
That's
Go
it.
ahead and do that.
That's it.
Awesome. Thank you, Granny.
Like that.